Jurors in the case of two men accused in a murder-for-hire plot heard emotional testimony this morning from the sister of the man they're accused of killing. Disbarred attorney Sean Alfortis and Leon Chunky Parker watched as the sister of Cornelius Garrison testified about her brother's death and what she may have known about his involvement in the overall scheme here involving staged 18-wheeler crashes. Winston Reed live outside federal court this afternoon with more on what she had to say. Good afternoon to you, Winston.
Good afternoon, Brandon. Yes, so we've heard expert testimony, and we've also heard some gripping and emotional testimony from Cornelius Garrison's sister, Andrea Robertson. Now, Robertson, she described, again, her relationship with her brother. She also talked about his involvement in this staged collision scheme. And as she was going into tears at the witness stand, she said, "Cornelius was my best friend." Now, Garrison, prosecutors say, was at his mother's home when he was shot 10 times and killed by Leon Parker back in 2022. Investigators accused Sean Alfortis of hiring Parker to kill Garrison after Alfortis allegedly learned that Garrison was secretly communicating with the FBI. Garrison was a slammer and recruiter in the staged collision scheme. His sister, Andrea Robertson, said she was involved in a staged collision with Garrison in 2015 before he was arrested. Now, prior to testimony by Garrison's sister, prosecutors played a video recording of Garrison's mother being interviewed by a detective the night he was killed. In that interview, Garrison's mother said she was in the kitchen when her son answered the door and was shot 10 times. Garrison died in his mother's living room. Prosecutors showed some gruesome photos as well of Garrison lying in a pool of his own blood in his mother's living room the night he was killed. They also showed some other evidence during that trial today in front of the jury. And Leon Parker sat there emotionless and with a straight face as all of this unfolded during trial in the courtroom today. Sean Alfortis and Leon Parker both are facing multiple charges, including conspiracy to tamper a witness by murder. This trial will continue through the afternoon and is expected to last for weeks. Reporting live outside of the federal courthouse, I'm Winston Reed, WWL, Louisiana.